Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in or zoom out on apps on Windows 11 or 10. But if you want to scale up everything like icons, all the text, I have created a video in the top right corner. You can click it or you can find it at the end of this video. So back again, if you want to just zoom in or zoom out, there is two ways. First is within the Chrome, and the second ways is with keyboard shortcut. First I will show you within the Chrome. You can just go to top right corner and there is three dots here. You can click it, and then as you can see there is zoom option. You can like this or like this. See, that is the first method, and the second is you can go to trackpad and just like this. And also with keyboard shortcut you can hold control and then you can press plus or minus icon. That's it. Thank you.